Is passport mandatory? Do I need campus affidavit stamped from notary? So stay tuned cause I'm gonna share all the details related to background verification process in the Cognizant. So hello guys, welcome to this video. Without wasting much time, let's get into the topic directly. Guys, you will get a mail like this after 3 to 48 hours of accepting the offer letter. And once you receive this mail, you can now start the BGV process. So now let's talk about the documents which are needed in this process. So I'm showing you guys, you can see in my screen and I'm reading out for you also. You will need mark sheet of 10th and 12th class. You will need provisional certificate and BTech mark sheet. You will need PAN card. You will need passport, letter of authorization and campus affidavit. So these are the list of documents that you will be asked to upload. Passport is not mandatory guys, so if you don't have passport, no need to worry. And talking about the campus affidavit, you should print the sample format in 100 rupees stamp paper and get it signed by the notary. And you can get the sample format of the campus affidavit in the portal itself. It is very necessary to keep in mind that people generally make mistake in this step by simply uploading the campus affidavit without doing the stamp work from the notary. It is so important that go to the notary and get his sign. Note guys, campus affidavit is only important for those who are fresh candidate and are in their 7th semester and they do not have their provisional certificate of BTech with them yet. Okay guys, the next thing is you can mark unavailable for the provisional certificate and remaining mark sheets. If you don't have those, you should add some reason for marking it as unavailable in the remarks section. Because many candidates are in their 7th semester and they do not have their provisional certificates. So you can mark it as unavailable. Next document is letter of authorization. You will get the sample format of letter of authorization in the portal. So take a printout of it and sign on it, then scan and upload it in the portal. Once you submit your documents, you will receive a confirmation mail also. Keep in mind, once you submit your documents, you cannot re-upload if there is any error or mistake. And if there is any error, then you will get a mail stating the error and requesting you to submit the supporting documents. So try to upload correct documents in one go. So that's it for today's video. I think I have cleared some of your queries. If you have any doubts till now, then you can comment below. I will get back to you. Thank you. Bye bye.